Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping power to the Blackvue so the card can be removed safely. Park, set the parking brake, then turn off the ignition. This prevents file corruption. Next, isolate power. Unplug the hardwired kit at the fuse tap or disconnect the dashcam's battery lead. Once done, let the unit sit for 30 to 60 seconds to finish any shutdown routines. Make sure you have a flat tool and gloves ready to access the micro SD slot on the camera body. Now access the SD slot on the Blackvue. Remove any quick-release mount or peel back the adhesive cover, depending on your model. Do this gently to avoid tearing wiring. Once the slot is visible, press the micro SD card inward until you feel a click. The spring will release it slightly. Carefully pull the card straight out using the edges. Don't touch the gold contacts. If the card feels stuck, stop and check for screws or clips that still secure the housing before forcing anything. Finish by securing the camera and testing. Reconnect power briefly and boot the Blackvue to confirm it starts without the micro SD. This verifies no connectors were disturbed. Store the removed card in a protective case and label it with date and model. If the camera shows errors after reinserting or powering up, reinsert the card to ensure full seating. If problems persist, format the card in the camera menu or try a known good card. This resolves most recognition issues and prevents future recording errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.